If you come into our valley and you contribute to the pollution and the degradation of the environment here, well, at least the Salt Lake County District Attorney's Office will prosecute you and hold you accountable.
Salt Lake County's top attorney is slapping a giant German automaker with more than a warning. Today, Gill filed a civil lawsuit. This after claims of Volkswagen duping the public through deceptive emissions devices. News specialist Nicole Vowell is live in Salt Lake City with why the county is filing suit. Nicole?
Dave, District Attorney Gill says he's not going to sit back and allow people to continue to commit crimes against the environment, claiming Volkswagen's most recent scandal involving false emissions testing devices is continuing to add to the pollution problem, something he wants stopped for good.
So if we want to talk about a genuine public health crisis in our community, you don't have to look very far than the inversion or our air quality to see that we have some of the worst air qualities in the country.
Air pollution, a tough topic for policymakers to tackle with our growing population.
For a third year in a row, we were ranked between Salt Lake City and Salt Lake County as the sixth worst place to live in America when it came to ambient air quality.
Pointing to the American Lung Association's annual report released today, the DA says he's done with corporations damaging our air without consequence.
We want to hold the right person accountable, and whether it's through an administrative process or a financial hit, to sort of get the message across that this will not be tolerated.
Today, Gill and the Salt Lake County Health Department filed a civil lawsuit against the Volkswagen Corporation, alleging from 2009 to 2016 the German car maker marketed clean diesel models with bogus emission test results.
What were called defeat devices that were put into the software, it's alleged, and that they would actually give you a lower reading of ambient particulate matter emissions.
He says this legal action is not only necessary for public health, he hopes others get the hint.
We hope that it sends a strong message. Whether you're Volkswagen of America or mom and pop shop around the corner, if you're going to violate the environmental integrity of our community and put our citizens at risk, we will come at you through whatever means that is available to us.
Yeah, some strong words there from the district attorney. He says independent research concluded that some Volkswagen models produce 40 times the amount of pollutants than the company claimed. Pollutants, he says, the county just can't afford. And Dave, right now, this is just a civil lawsuit against the city, but Gill says tonight he is not opposed to bringing criminal charges against the company if necessary. Back to you.
Nicole Vowell live in Salt Lake City tonight. Thanks, Nicole. Mike?